Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best Bodycam. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is iLog X6B. Specifications. Brand name, FIU. Model number, X6B64G. Network, GPS Wi-Fi. Memory, 64G. View angle, 140 wide degree. Working time, about 10 hours. Camera lens 4MP, waterproof IP66. Certification, CE, FCC. Number 4 on our list is Boblov A27. Specifications. Brand name, Boblov. Model number, A27. Type, Mini. Built-in memory size, 64 GB. Memory card type, micro SDDF. Sensor technology, CMOS. High definition support, 1080p, Full HD. Number 3 on our list is Boblov B4K4. Specifications. Brand name, Boblov. Model number, B4K4. Type, Mini. Memory card type, micro SDDF. Sensor technology, CMOS. High definition support, 1080p, Full HD. Certification, CE. Number 2 on our list is Boblov M5. Specifications. Brand name, Boblov. Model number, M5. Type, Mini. Built-in memory size, 64 GB. Memory card type, micro SDDF. Sensor technology, CMOS. High definition support, 1080p, Full HD. Certification, CE. Number 1 on our list is Boblov M7 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Boblov. Model number, M7 Pro. Type, Mini. Memory card type, micro SDDF. Sensor technology, CMOS. High definition support, 1080p, Full HD. Certification, CE.